Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all safe and fine. It has been quite a long time since I posted my last video as I was busy with some work. So here I am with another recipe. This is a simple egg curry where I have taken eggs, boiled potatoes, chopped tomatoes, 3 green chilies, onion paste, and I'll be taking ginger garlic paste. Heat a karhai. So we'll be using mustard oil for this recipe. I usually cook with mustard oil. So that's 1.5 tablespoon of mustard oil. Let it get heated. So I have marinated the eggs and the potatoes with turmeric powder and salt. So we'll fry the potatoes and the eggs. Once the oil is heated, there goes in the eggs and the potatoes. Just a mix. No need to fry too much. Just brown them a bit. Change the sides of the egg so that it gets fried on both the sides. So it's done. Now we'll remove the eggs and the potatoes. Then in the same oil, we'll add around 3 teaspoons of onion paste. Give it a stir. Cook till the onions are a bit brown. Then we'll be adding 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry. Then add the chopped tomatoes. Give it a good mix and let it cook. This time we'll be adding the spices. So there goes salt as per taste. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. Give it a good mix. We'll add a dash of water so that the masala doesn't stick to the bottom. Now here goes half a teaspoon of red chili powder. I'm using Kashmiri red chili that gives a very nice color to the dish. Half teaspoon sugar to balance the tanginess of the tomatoes. There it is. Then goes 1 teaspoon jeera powder, that's a very simple curry with very basic masalas. There goes 1.5 teaspoon of dhania powder. Give it a good mix and let it cook for some time till the tomatoes become soft. It would have been easier if I have used tomato puree instead of chopped tomatoes, but as I didn't have that much time, I had to cook my dinner quickly, so I just used the chopped tomatoes. Just give it a good mix and let it cook. It's almost done. Then add the eggs and the potatoes. Give it a good mix so that all the eggs and the potatoes are coated with the masala. If you want to have it with rotis or parathas, you can just keep it like this. But we generally used to have this with rice, so I'll add a little bit of water to make it a gravy. So here I have added 3 green chilies. Now water, can give it a good mix. And let it cook for some time, around 3 to 4 minutes. Cover it and let it cook. Simmer the gas. See, after 3 to 4 minutes, the curry is already bubbling out. Another mix. The potatoes were already boiled, so no need to boil. The recipe doesn't take much time. It's a very quick recipe and tastes great with white rice. Steamed rice, which I mean, it goes really well with steamed rice. Just a final mix and done. So my yummy curry is ready. So now time to dish it out. So that's the final look of my egg curry. Hope you have all liked the recipe. If you all have liked my recipe, please do give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. We will meet soon. Till then, good night and sweet dreams.